let's walk into the fitness center and see what it's like. So I'm gonna walk in and wow, okay, wow, good size. So what I'm noticing is good size, and then also there's so much so many windows, so much light. It's so bright in here. It feels great. So 1 o'clock during the day, just beautiful lighting. So first of all, before we go to the main part, there is a virtual fitness center, and so there's spin bikes over there, and then this could be a private studio, and then there's a big screen over there that you could use to follow on TV, to follow virtual paths and videos. So you've got that over there. Let's explore this. So you've got looks like a row machine over here. You've got ellipticals that are over here, and then you've got 3 treadmills that are here. So that looks great. You do have some more equipment just right here, and then looks like you have some kettlebells also, so that's very good, like that. You do also have 2 multi-machines. This looks like it handles lats, and then over here this handles chest, arms, shoulders, and legs. So good amount of functionality over here. You do have some dumbbells as well over here, so the dumbbells, and then you've got a bench. You can use those dumbbells for biceps and shoulders and things like that. So you have plenty of pieces of equipment. It's definitely large. It feels very nice in here. It feels very clean as well, well maintained. So I like it a lot. It looks like a really, really good fitness center, and I could see this getting a lot of use.